Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us keep making these videos. Looks like today we're doing number 246. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 covering both of these boxes, so our 8 must be here. 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got the 6 covering both of these boxes, so our 6 must be here. 9 here, so 1, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 2 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 and 8 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 8. And no help here. So 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 covering these two boxes, so our 3 must be here. 5 here, so 2, 5. That 3 makes this our 9, 3, 9, 2, 9. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this row, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 5, no help here, 1, 2, 5, and no help here, 1, 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 5, 9 here, so 1, 5. That means that our 9 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 5. That 5 makes this our 1, 2. That 1 makes this our 5. That 2 and that 5 means this is our 1, 5. For this row now, we're missing a 2. And for this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 1, 4. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. And that 8 makes this our 5, 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.